In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view other people's calendar in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a shared calendar, see it alongside your own, and toggle it on or off so you can focus on what matters. First, open Microsoft Outlook in your web browser or the desktop app and sign into your account. Before you go any further, make sure the calendar owner has granted you permission or sent a sharing invitation. Outlook won't display someone's calendar unless you've been allowed to view it, so if you don't see what you expect, that's the most common reason. Once you're in Outlook, switch to the calendar view. On desktop, you can click the calendar icon near the bottom of the navigation pane. In the web version, you'll find the calendar icon in the left rail. This is where all your calendars, including shared ones, are organized. Look to the left sidebar for a section labeled Other Calendars or Shared Calendars, depending on your version of Outlook. This is where calendars that have been shared with you will appear. If the owner already shared their calendar and you accepted the invitation, you should see their name or the calendar's title in this list. Click the name of the shared calendar to display it. Outlook will load it alongside your own calendar, usually in a different color so you can easily tell them apart. You can view them in day, work week, or month view, whichever helps you compare schedules most clearly. The overlay makes it simple to spot free times, overlaps, or conflicts without constantly switching back and forth. If your screen starts to feel crowded with multiple calendars, use the checkboxes next to each name in the sidebar to toggle visibility. Checking a calendar shows it, unchecking it hides it. This quick switch is great for narrowing your focus to just one person's schedule or for lining up a few calendars when planning a meeting. If the shared calendar doesn't appear, start by confirming you have the right permissions with the owner. If they sent a sharing invitation, make sure you accepted it in your inbox so Outlook can add the calendar to your list. It can also help to refresh your browser or restart the app to pull in recent changes. Once permissions are correctly set, the calendar should show up in the Other Calendars section and open without issues in both the desktop and web versions. That's all you need to view and manage someone else's calendar in Outlook. Thanks for watching.